Hello, today we will guide you through how to view deposits in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main dashboard or home page. This is the starting point for accessing your account information and reports. If you have just signed in, you should already be in the right place. Taking a moment to confirm you are on the home screen can help make the next steps easier to follow. Once you are in QuickBooks, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks stores a wide range of financial and transaction reports, so if you ever need to review activity in your account, this is a useful area to become familiar with. After selecting Reports, give the page a moment to load fully so you can see the available report options. Next, scroll down through the list of reports and look for Deposit Detail. Since there are many reports available in QuickBooks Online, you may need to move slowly through the list to avoid missing it. The Deposit Detail report is specifically designed to show information related to deposits, making it the right choice when you want to review deposit activity clearly and in one place. When you find it, click on Deposit Detail. This will open the report and display the deposit information available in your QuickBooks account. Depending on your data and system speed, the report may take a few moments to load. Once it appears, you will be able to review the transactions included in that report. After the report opens, go to the Date Range option in the top left area of the screen. Select the date range you want to view. This step is important because it allows you to narrow the report to the specific time period you need, whether that is a recent week, a month, or another custom time frame. Choosing the correct date range will help ensure that the deposit information you are seeing matches the period you want to review. Once the date range is selected, the report will reflect deposits for that time frame, giving you a clearer view of the activity you need. If the information does not look right at first, double-check the selected dates before making any assumptions. That simple review can save time and help you find the exact deposit records you are looking for. That's how to view deposits in QuickBooks Online.